Let's look at this example. I have considered only two algebraic expressions. The first algebraic expression, we call it a quadratic equation. The second algebraic expression is also a quadratic equation. Now, according to the rule that I told you prior, what we have to do first? We have to arrange the terms involved in an algebraic expression either in the ascending or descending order based on their power. Okay. So, look at the first algebraic expression. The terms are not arranged in the power. Okay. So, shall we arrange it? So, which is the highest power? I am considering I take up the ascending order. Okay. So, according to the ascending order, what you have to do is that you will go from the least to the largest. So, which is the least here? Look at the constant. There is no variable present. So, when there is no variable present, the power of that variable is nothing but 0. It is considered as 0. So, we shall write 5 plus 5 here. Then, the second term which has to follow 5 is nothing but 3y. Why? Since the power of the variable y is 1, and therefore you will have to write it along with its sign. Don't miss the sign. So, it is plus 3y. And finally, you write this term. The term is nothing but 4y squared, which has got the next highest power. So, bring it down along with its sign. See, here the plus sign is missing. But still then, this is a positive term. And therefore, while you are writing it down here, you have to put the positive sign in front of it and then write 4y squared. What methodology I have adopted? I have adopted the ascending order of arranging the terms in the equation. In the similar way, I have to arrange the terms present in the second polynomial also, the second equation also. So, looking at this, which one will come first? Constant will come first. Why? Because constant does not have a variable, which means that the variable takes a degree 0, and therefore I should write the constant first. So, what is the constant here? It is 15. I'll have to write it along with its sign. What is the sign? It is minus. Okay. Next, scan through the equation. While you scan through the equation, you see that the first term has got the variable of the first term is 1. The power of the variable of the first term is 1, and therefore I need to write y next. But what is the sign of y? The sign of y is a positive sign. So, I need to put a positive sign in front of it. Then finally, I will be writing 3y squared along with its sign. What did I do? While I wrote this equation, I did the arrangements of the terms based on the power. Now look at the final representation. The final representation shows that a constant is written under a constant. A variable with degree 1 is written under variable with degree 1. So, these two terms are like terms. A variable with degree 2 is written under a term whose variable is, say, degree 2. So, 4y squared and 3y squared are like terms. That is what rule 2 says. Write the terms, okay, the like terms, one beneath the other. So, both the quadratic equations are being arranged properly. Now, I can perform an addition operation. So, I am going to perform an addition operation on these two algebraic equations. So, when you perform an addition operation, we have already seen this rule. Okay, this is a positive term, this is a negative term. When a positive term and a negative term arises, both of them clash, both of them fight. So, they fight together and they lose something. So, what will be the answer? 15 and 5 minus 5 you'll be getting 10. But what is the sign of the particular term? The sign of the term is nothing but the sign of the largest term. So, which is the largest term here? 15 is the largest term, and therefore, this answer carries the sign of 15. Moving on to the next like term, which is nothing but the y terms. See, 3y is a positive term and y is also a positive term. You just have to add them together. So you'll be getting 4y. Moving on to the highest power. 4y squared is also a positive term. 3y squared is also a positive term. So you add them together. Both the signs are same. Similar, you add them together. So it is plus 7y squared.